Ata? Oh, do you see it, guys? Oh, on our way to Sylvan Lake, right? Umuulan kasi and may hurricane ngayon sa Barbados, area ng Barbados. Category 4, stay safe po to all our friends in Barbados. Where are we now, my love?
I don't know.
Ano na tayo eh? We just passed Ponoka. And how many more kilometers?
13.
13 more kilometers to Sylvan Lake. Time check, 11:16 a.m. 2 km. We're approaching the town of Sylvan Lake.
Exit the roundabout onto Lakeshore Drive. In 300 meters, turn left onto 50th Avenue.
We're here. There's a big Canada flag. Happy Canada Day. There's the lake, guys, on the right side. Beautiful. Naalala mo dito, babe, nag-boating na tayo dito. Birthday mo yun, alam ko eh. Do you remember that? It was your birthday. Many, many years ago.
Only parking.
Yeah, parking. Ano tayong parking? Alright guys, we found parking! May araw pero mahangin. Plato yun ah. Lumipat kami ng parking guys kasi maraming nagtitiket dito. Kita niyo yan, bylaw officer. So, bili tayo ng parking for sure para sigurado. Magbayad tayo ng parking kasi dun sa may daan 2 hours lang yung parking. Baka tayo ay matiketan, mahirap na. And then doon tayo nag-park para safe tayo. Ayan guys, tapos na tayo magbayad ng parking for 3 hours para safe. Galing, dun sa mga shed, meron siyang mga QR codes. Then scan mo lang yung QR code. As long as you're connected to the internet, can pay your parking fee, and it's about $3 per hour. So we pick 3 hours and it's $9.35. I think just under $10 for 3 hours. So time check ngayon, it's 11:45. Umalis tayo ng Edmonton around 9:25 a.m. So we arrived here in Sylvan Lake 11:45. And for 3 hours, so meron tayo hanggang 2:45 mag-enjoy dito sa Sylvan Lake. Mahangin na naman, grabe. Bawat nagpupunta tayo sa lake, mahangin, ano? Welcome to Sylvan Lake! Tapang nung bata, naka-swimsuit pa, grabe. Ako, nilalamig ako. Hangin Guys, maghahanap tayo ng activities for today. Oo, sige. CR muna agad. Hi, my love. Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day.
It's a cold, windy Canada Day. Oh, we're in Silver Lake. Ito? Oh, pakita natin mga t-shirt. Mahangin guys, hindi ko kaya to. Mga bata, matindi sa lamig. Tayo, hindi na natin kaya yan. Hanap tayo ng schedule of events. For sure, may parade yan. Or baka tapos na. Sana wag naman. It's Canada's 157th birthday. 157 na siya. Happy Canada Day! Di ba taga dito si Ma'am Sel? Ma'am Sel, baka naman pwedeng bumisita sa inyo. Oh, ganda sana kung maaraw, no? Saan yung munisipyo nila dito? Hanapin natin. Babe, how are you feeling?
Good.
Good? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hanapin natin sila. Wala yung tent natin, tsaka yung bangka natin nasa Pinas na kasi. 'Di ba? Yeah. Oh, kailangan natin ng ganyan sa Pinas. 'Di ba? Oh, lamig. Meron silang pagka polar bear.
think food came.
Oh, yeah. Food trucks, no? There's food trucks. Ah, yeah. Something going on there. Something going on here. Happy Canada! Is there a parade today, or is it
later
over?
on, about 2 o'clock, they
2
come
p.m.
down from Town Hall.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Happy Canada
Happy
Day.
Canada Day.
2 p.m. babe. Thank you. Yeah. Ano to? Ayun oh, cotton. Abay, nagbibigay yata. Oh. Face painting, babe. Liputin muna natin ang town. Aba, meron dun ano ah. Mamayang 2 p.m. daw yung parade, di ba? Hindi, paalis tayo mga 2:45. Akita mo natin. I think so. Vendors Market. Magandang mag-check-in dito, guys. Kasi mismong nasa harap ka ng lake. Oh, bebe. Puntahan natin yung lighthouse. Yun. Pinoy, madaming kabayan dito. Aqua splash, galing oh. Hanap tayo ng food, guys. Hindi pa tayo masyadong ginutom kasi kumain tayo sa bahay kanina bago tayo umalis. Tapos nag-ano din tayo, nag-timis. So now we're going to downtown area, Main Street. We're gonna look for something to eat. Snack or something. Saan yung munisipyo nila? Doon daw mag-i-start yung parade, di ba? Oo. Mag-a-assemble sila doon. Google natin. Google Maps.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Picture mo ako dito. Ay, ayun oh. Sige, doon tayo.
Oh, picture na naman.
It's busy in this area. Face painting, picture taking, and a lot more. Oh! Daming dogs. Ang kanilang munisipyo. Nainitan na si Habi. Ganda. Ah, malamig ba? Ang weird, no? Pag nakaano ka, mainit. Pero pag huhubarin mo, malamig. Cute naman ito. Gusto ko to. Baby yan. Gusto ko yan. You know? And it's woo! Malamig. It's so cold. Yeah, finish na. No tenting. Oh, no tenting in here. Look guys, I found the big Canada cake. Yeah! So huge! Malapit na. Tagal naman ang parade. Where is it na? Oh, nakapila na sila para hatiin ang cake. Oh, yan ba yun? Wow! Daming tao! Time check guys, it's now 2:16. Hi puppy! Oh, cotton candy. Aba! Hindi ba ito yung anak ni Ma'am Sel? Oo nga, ito nga! Nico? Si Nico to! Oo nga, may nahuli tayo! Grabe! Ay, ang dami na nakapila sa cake. Nice.
I've seen them around.
Happy Canada Day!
Oh my God, around.
Fuck, these guys just started walking down the street and everybody was like, oh, it's great.
Sundan natin yung Piper. Punta pala siya dito eh. Dito pala siya punta. Oh. And then hatiin dito yung cake, ano? Galing. Dito pala siya. Baba. Baba. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Canada. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Right. Oh, oh.